Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, not only will we walk together through the ordering steps using our 3D custom tool, but also show you the fascinating manufacturing process. Since loafer weather is just around the corner, we will go ahead and start personalizing this distinctive penny loafer style number 8372. Using the 3D custom tool, you will be able to design a pair of shoes that best fits your needs. The possibilities are endless, and we are dedicating to creating a unique pair of shoes for you. To start our design, we have chosen brown museum leather. This two-tone cloudy appearance will give our loafer a timeless look, and we will be using it for the entire shoe. For the French binding detailing, we will select brown box calf leather, just to add a touch of contrast to our design. From a technical perspective, the binder will look best if made in box calf, Viteo or Vegano leathers. Whiskey lining is a Carmina favorite, so we have included it in our design. Since we plan to wear these loafers in the city and wish to give them a bit more grip, we will equip our loafers with our York soles. We just love that both practical and still appropriate for smarter tires. Let's go for the Goodyear Flex option to give them extra flexibility and make them perfect on the weekends. We will finish our design with a matching brown edge and stitching to complete our elegant looking loafer. Our design is now finished. Don't forget, you can save or share your design using the share button at the top left of your screen. We would love to see yours. Next, we will take you behind the scenes and show you the riveting stages of cutting, stitching and shaping, so you can see with your very eyes the dedication our highly skilled craftsmen have for well-made shoes. There are over 200 steps in manufacturing a pair of Carmina shoes, all of which require attention, consideration and above all, love for the craft.